Wait till the end to watch the surprise. There's a surprise. There's a special surprise for a special someone. So we are on our way to plan it out. By the way, we didn't introduce them to the vlog. We didn't be like, hey guys, welcome back to the vlog.
Oh yeah.
That is like a signature thing, right? Today's day began with a lot of positivity, a lot of energy. I just finished my class with a workshop with differently able people. We had 14 participants this time. It was a very good number, very energetic number. I enjoyed their class. We had it from 11 to 12, and every Sunday I'm going to be having that class. For more details about this class, please DM me or DM Blue Ocean Waves. Coming back to our vlog. In today's vlog, please stay till the end of the vlog. Today's vlog is something special. We are planning a surprise for someone special.
Yeah.
He is included in the surprise. He's not the someone special that we are planning a surprise for.
Yeah. I'm no more someone special. I'm just a normal guy now. Like the saying, घर की मुर्गी दाल बराबर.
Anyways, so we are heading off to.
But the weather is really good today.
Weather is unpredictable. Weather is really nice. Power kada tigale.
truth behind the veil, and you know that they're just looking for attention. Oh, you don't let their ruthlessness prevail. Oh, it's time now, light your fires for ascension. Like a phoenix, you burst in a fire, burn a thirst and desire. You transform right up in a flash. You spread your wings to rise from the ashes. Phoenix, you burst in a fire, burn a thirst and desire. You transform right up in a flash. You spread your wings to rise from the ashes. Let you down, but you get up. They let you drown, but you don't stop. You show you're a phoenix.
So guys, we are done. We are ready with the decoration and everything, as you can see behind me. And we are waiting for the birthday boy to arrive. He's gone to work, and as soon as he comes, we will say surprise. So we kept him a prosecco bottle and cake, but cake I've removed it out and I have kept it separate so that we can keep the cake and he can cut the cake here. Little bit of backdrop behind, so we utilized the Christmas decoration and made 2 and 3. And yeah, we glued some balloons, that is Elton over there, some lights, and that's it. We are all set for the birthday boy.
You burst in a fire, burn a thirst and desire. You transform right up in a flash. You spread your wings to rise from the ashes.
Elton is going to message me as soon as he gets he meets him, so he's going to send me a message. Mummy also has finished rosary and she's back, so now I'm so super excited for it. Let's wait. Lights are out. I hope you guys can see me. I know I look scary, but shh.